How to download Wells Fargo on your iPhone devices. Are you guys facing issues to download Wells Fargo on your iPhone device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the source icon. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Wells Fargo. After you search for it, click on the second option where you can see this icon for Wells Fargo. Tap and get. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your app will start to download. It will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. As soon as it gets downloaded, tap and open. That's it guys, that's how you're going to download Wells Fargo on your iPhone devices. If you guys have any issues regarding Wells Fargo, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.